welcome back to my channel MISSMCBLUSH. My name is Muskan. For all you guys who are new here, in today's video we are creating this makeup look. This is my everyday healthy skin slash dewy skin slash juicy skin makeup look. And if you want to see how I achieved this look in under 5 minutes, then please keep watching. Of course this video is long because मैं आपको एक एक स्टेप ये वीडियो में समझा रही हूँ, बट अगर मैं बिना बात करे ये मेकअप करूँ तो मुझे मुश्किल से 5 मिनट लगते हैं. आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग, takes me less than 5 minutes to do this makeup look. So if you are interested then please keep watching. Also happy new year guys. मेरे साल की स्टार्ट बहुत ही बकवास थी because I was in Goa during New Year's Eve. But when I came back, थोड़े दिनों बाद मुझे कोविड हो गया and it took me 10 days to heal. And आज I think 2 दिन हो गए मुझे completely recover होके. So I'm back and I have missed this and I just want to say happy new year and I'm actually celebrating my new year today because जो मेरे साल की start थी मैंने वो accept नहीं की. I want to leave COVID in 2021 and आज मैं new year मना रही हूँ because I want this to be a happy start to my 2022. So don't forget to wish me happy new year in the comments and happy new year to you guys. I just want to say one more thing. I am planning to do a COVID Q&A in my next videos. A lot of people have a lot of questions, so I thought कि मैं एक वीडियो ही बना देती हूँ. So leave all your COVID related questions for me in the comments down below. My next video will be a Q&A, like a chatty Q&A video. But if you are interested in this everyday winter dewy makeup look, then let's get started. Actually, I haven't done my skincare. I've just applied my toner. So first of all, I'm going to apply my skincare thoda sa. So I'm using my Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Acid serum. ये serum मैं basically hydration के लिए लगाती हूँ, but this also gives me a beautiful glow. I have to apply this everywhere around my eye, even on my under eyes, because I need hydration everywhere on my face and even on my neck. Now I'm going to use a sunscreen. Very important sunscreen रोज लगानी है. आप चाहो या ना चाहो, you have to apply sunscreen because it is what is going to keep you young. This is also a very hydrating sunscreen. And मैंने इसको recently use करना start किया. I don't know a lot about it, but I like how it makes my skin feel. It does not make my skin feel dry. It does not have like a flashback. So I've really been enjoying this. Normally मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं hyaluronic acid serum, moisturizer, sunscreen and then I directly move on to makeup. But आज मैं moisturizer नहीं use कर रही हूँ because जो मेरा primer है वो भी hydrating है, तो over hydration हो जाएगा, इसलिए I'm skipping moisturizer. I'm directly going to my primer, and the primer that I'm using is the Smashbox Halo Plumping Dew Plus Hyaluronic Acid Primer. This is what it looks like. This is a very new launch. Let's see. It feels like a serum, but it is very hydrating. So this is what the primer looks like, and this is the first time I use this. And I am so impressed with it. I'm directly using concealer and मैं everyday basis पे foundation, BB cream ये सब चीज़ें नहीं लगाती हूँ. I just use concealer wherever I need it. So right now I'm going to apply it on my under eyes, and I'm using the Kosas concealer. This is a very hydrating concealer, and I know आप लोग मुझे बोलोगे कि I don't use affordable makeup, but the thing is मेरे last 2 videos were using affordable makeup, but this is my everyday makeup routine and this is not a tutorial. So इस वीडियो में I'm showing you all the things that I use, and I'm using my Rare Beauty foundation brush to blend all of this in. And आप तब तक ब्लेंड करोगे जब तक आपका हाथ थक के आपके शरीर से गिर नहीं जाता. जब मैं अपना एवरीडे मेकअप कर रही होती हूँ तो मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता कि मैं अलग अलग ब्रशेज लूँ. आई यूज़ मैक्स समथिंग 3 ब्रश मैक्स. अभी मैं बात कर रही हूँ और मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ, इसीलिए मुझे टाइम लग रहा है. बट व्हेन आई एम डूइंग इट अलोन, so it takes me like 5 minutes. The next thing that I'm going to move on to is my blush. and you have to try this blush, especially if you have dry skin. You are going to love this. This is the M Cosmetics serum blush in the shade Venetian Rose, and this is a beautiful blush. This is my everyday juicy blush, and you guys are going to see how beautiful my skin becomes when I use this. So this basically has serum properties, but it's a blush. Sadly, it's not available in India, but I will leave a few pages in the description जहाँ पे आपको ये easily मिल जाएगा on Instagram. So I'm basically applying a lot of it, and I'm using the same foundation brush. Can you guys see that glow? Beautiful. So how I'm applying my blush is basically dabbing it and taking it upwards. So this gives me a lifted look. Can you guys see the juiciness? This gets me so excited. मुझे ना ये मेकअप पे लड़कियां छोड़ो लड़के भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स देते हैं because my skin looks so glowy. I love this makeup look so much. So basically now I've applied my blush. Now I'm going to apply thoda sa highlighter. This is basically not a highlighter. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Now this is a magical product. You can use this as a primer. You can use this as a foundation. It does not have a lot of coverage, but thoda bahut it does. It has a very magical, beautiful glow. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसका maximum effect के लिए ना you should use it as a highlighter on top of your makeup. I'm going to bring it down to the apple of my cheeks. And you guys can see that the glow that it gives me is just magical. I'm also going to apply it on my nose. And this does not have any like glitter in it. It is very subtle. इसमें जो glow है that is very 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 subtle. Like बिल्कुल पता नहीं चलता. It's basically like your skin but glowy. And now you guys can see how glowy my skin looks and so hydrated. It looks healthy. That is what we are going for because मेरी skin winter में बहुत ज़्यादा dry होती है. तो my basic goal is to make my skin look healthy, hydrated, juicy, and all of these things. I can totally just basically stop my base here, but because the concealer is very hydrating, मैं थोड़ा सा अपना under eye set करने वाली हूँ, and I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way powder, and I'm going to use a different brush for this because I don't like to mix my cream brushes and powder brushes. So the brush that I'm using is Pack 094. I'm going to take very little, like very little. मैंने जितना भी लिया था मैं पूरा dust off कर दिया है, and I'm going to set my under eye very lightly. I like to set my upper lip. जब ये area किसी का shiny होता है मुझे वो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है because it looks like sweat and we don't want to look sweaty. हमारा goal is to make our skin look healthy, not sweaty. And I'm done. That's all the powder. So basically मैंने इतना कम powder लगाया only to set my under eye कि my cheeks are still glowing and you guys can still see the healthy glow that I'm talking about constantly in this video. I'm going to use this Sephora microblading brow pen. And it is very easy to like draw hair like strokes with this. And because this is an everyday makeup look, तो मैं इतना ज़्यादा time नहीं use करने वाली हूँ eyebrows पे. मैं just gaps को fill करके I'll be done. So that's literally all I do for my eyebrows. That's it. My eyebrows are done. Very simple, very everyday. I feel like when you are not doing eye makeup, so when your eyebrows are very boxy, fake लगता है. तो इसीलिए I'm going to do my eyebrows very lightly because eye makeup मैं आज बिल्कुल भी नहीं करने वाली हूँ. I'm just going to set my eyelids using translucent powder. Huh? I'm not using any eyeshadow or anything. Just mattifying my eyelids. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm quickly going to apply mascara. And mascara के लिए I'm using the Maybelline New York Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. But पहले I'll curl my lashes. And so I've really been enjoying this mascara and it's very affordable. Okay, so now my base is done, my eyes are done, my eyebrows are done. The only thing that's left is my lip. So depending on what my mood is, if I'm feeling like my lips are very dry, so I'll just apply like a lip balm or a lip oil or something like that. So I'm going to show you both the options today. The lip oil that I've been enjoying a lot this winter is the Merit lip oil in the shade Pink Beet. Very comfortable every day. I'll just apply like a lip balm and I'll be done. But because I'm doing a video today, I want to do a lipstick. Also, one thing I want to tell you is something very close to this is the Kiro Beauty lip lacquer in the shade Dusty Rose. Beautiful lipstick, very similar to this one, very affordable, easily available. But if I'm feeling a little bougie, or if I'm going out, or if I want to look thoda more put together, then I like to apply a lipstick. And then I'm going to apply a lip liner, and I'm using the MAC lip liner in Spice. And the lipstick that I have been loving, मुझे lipstick इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद है. This is the perfect neutral pink lipstick there is for me at least. And this is the Nars American Woman. And ये मेरे पास मिनी साइज में है. मैंने बड़ा साइज ऑर्डर किया है US से, बट उसको आने में और टाइम लगेगा. But I feel like ये mini is also lasted me a very long time, and I've just been really enjoying it. Okay guys, so my camera died, but I'm back. This is what my final makeup look looks like. This is the lipstick Nars American Woman, and I love how my makeup is looking. I love how healthy and juicy and hydrated my skin looks, and I love the glow on my skin. And I think I have finally perfected my everyday makeup look. If you recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me in your pictures. I would love to see your recreation. I'm just very happy with how my makeup is looking. So that's it. This is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave your COVID related questions in the description box below, and I will answer all of them in my next video. I think my skin looks so healthy. कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि मैं 3 दिन पहले मुझे कोविड था, because you know your health is visible on your face. I love it. Tell me in the comments what do you guys think about this look, and if you want to see more such looks or whatever you want to see, please tell me in the comments, and I will make sure to make those videos for you. And I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.